Volunteer with me at Cancer Research. This is how the shop looks like. Many kinds of books, clothes, accessories, and decorations. I came to Fortune Cat during lunch break. Look at this, it was so delicious. I came back after lunch. Here are the hand warming gloves. An old historical camera.